In this video, I will show you how to set up two-factor authentication on GitHub. First, open your web browser, go to GitHub, and sign in to your account. Click your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Settings. From the left sidebar, click Password and Authentication. Next, find the two-factor authentication section and click Enable two-factor authentication. GitHub will display a QR code for the setup. Open an authenticator app, such as Google Authenticator or Aegis Authenticator, on your mobile device and scan the QR code. Once the account is added, the app will generate a 6-digit verification code. Enter this code into GitHub and continue to complete the setup. If you prefer to use SMS instead, choose the SMS option during setup. Complete the verification challenge if prompted, then enter your phone number with the correct country code. Request the verification code, enter the code you receive by text message, and continue to finish the setup. After two-factor authentication has been enabled, GitHub may also provide recovery codes. Save these codes in a secure location, as they can help you regain access to your account if you lose your authentication device. And that's how you can set up two-factor authentication on GitHub.